See you other guys, my name is Kumar, you're watching me. Let's start today's video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 30th May 2025 and today is Friday. So basically in this video I'm going to share you like what is actually happened in my today's routine video and what is actually not happened. So and this video is also going to be the day of continuously shooting the videos routine, that is day 540 for first days of routine video, 541 days of routine video, right? So yeah, sometimes I skipped days of routine, sometimes I was unable to shoot videos, some days of videos, but I already wrote down what I had actually done on that particular video. So after that, when I got time, then I start first shooting skip days routine video, which was skipped, and then after that I shoot the present days of routine video. It means I have not skipped any days of routine video. So yes guys, let's start this routine video. So today first of all I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I went outside to purchase bread, right? uh, and bread, milk, as well as chai patti, right? Tea, maybe I think so. It will be a kind of thing which is made, which is used to make tea, right? Chai patti is a thing which is used to make tea, maybe I think so. Then I came home, then I had taken the bath and I wore the clothes and I ate food. Then after some time later I ate Maggie. Then there was something happening in cooler switches. I had done something. Basically the thing is that I was just connecting directly the cooler wires is directly connect. I was just trying to connect to which I can use only button, not in a plug system I have to do, but it is connected directly, not button method. So I have to on off from the coolers button, right? So after that I ate golgappa, right? Then after that I had certain previous days of routine video. Then I talked to my mother. Then after that I ate food. Then after that I went to sleep, right? Then after that I wake up. Then after that I went to the terrace. After some time later I came home. Then I studied. Then at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what has actually happened. Now I'm gonna to revise the chapter, the accounting treatment of sweat equity shares. I'm gonna to revise. So first of all, bank account debit with the cash receipt, discount on issue of shares account debit with the amount of discount to equity share capital account. Now issue of sweat equity share for technical know-how or intellectual property rights, technical know-how or intellectual property right account debit, technical know-how debit or intellectual property right account debit to equity share capital account. So this is something new, right? Distinction between preference share and equity share. So I will discuss this also with my notes. Now, procedure of issue of shares. A registered company follows the following procedure to collect money from the general public by way of issuing shares: issue of prospectus to receive application, allotment of shares, to make calls on shares, issue of shares certificate. So now the accounting and now mode of issue of shares. This can be issue of shares at par, issue of shares at premium. Now in case of issue of shares at par, when a share is issued at its nominal or face value, it is an issue of shares at par. Example, share of a nominal value of 200 issued at rupees 200, thus the par value of the share is the face value or nominal value In the case nominal or per value is payable in installment, the investors have to pay application money, allotment money and false money. On receipt of application money, bank account debit to share application account, and then share application account debit to share capital account, share application account debit to share allotment account, share application account debit to bank account. So these are some entries which is I will discuss from my notes. And over subscription phase, number of shares supplied, these are the entry. Issue of shares at premium, and surrender or feature of share, issue of shares at discount, reissue of forfeited shares. This way, these all will I'm gonna to study from my notes. Now, issue of right shares and bonus shares. This is I'm gonna to read. Shares which are offered to the existing members are called right shares, and the right of members to be so offered is called right of preemption. In other words, rights issued is an invitation to existing shareholders to purchase additional new shares in the company at a discount to the market price on a stated future date. In a right issue, a company gives shares only to existing shareholders at a certain ratio to the number of shares they already own. For example, one right share may be given for every 5 shares owned. In right issue, a cut-off date is fixed, which is known as the record date. Rights shares are given only to those shareholders who own the company's shares on the record date. Those who buy the shares of the company after the record date will not be entitled to rights shares despite the fact that the right shares will be sold after that date. Usually a company offers rights issue at a price which is lower than the market price of the shares, so that existing shareholders may get the monetary benefit of their association with the company. So these are the some topics. Bonus issue. Now, employee stock option plan, ESOP. Employees stock option plan is a plan under which the companies uh, grants rights to its employees to purchase shares of the company at a stated price at the time of public issue or otherwise. Here the term employee includes a director of the enterprise, whether full-time or not, for the purpose of employee share-based payments. The objectives of this scheme is to encourage employees to have a higher participation in the company. So these are the some things. Uh, Here it is important to note that employee stock option plan is a contract that gives the employees the right but not the obligation for a specified period of time to purchase or subscribe to the shares of the company at a fixed accounting treatment, fair value method. Employees compensation expense account to employee stock option outstanding account. Statement of P&L account debit to employee compensation expense account. So these are the some you know what these accounting treatment. So underwriting and brokerages. So from here in tomorrow's videos I would like to study the summary of this chapter, as well as I would like to read from my notes, right? So yes, by so this is all what is actually happened, and after in notes I will complete majority of the portion of this chapter. Then after that I will study redemption of preference shares, which is also I had made a notes right of this chapter. That is redemption of preference share is the part of the chapter of this shares, right? So basically this is the thing what is actually I am gonna to do, right? So this is all what is actually happened, and yes, so I think that it is enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.